Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna learn how to design this kind of text effect with animation. So let's open Canva. Go to the video section. Choose the resolution for your video from here. And we need a background video, so let's go to Elements and search here for Travel. From Videos, you can choose any of them, scroll down. This is normal because the duration is not too much. Set this video as a background and let's go to text and add the text box. Change the text box to travel and font to Anton. Make the text bigger. Like this one. Go to Effects, Lift, and duplicate this text. Change the color to red. Again, duplicate this text. Change the color to blue. Again, duplicate this text. Change the color to green and go to positions, put white in the first and select all of them. Go to animate. From animate, choose the wipe like this one on both direction, reverse exit animation. So let's see the result. I hope you like it. Follow for more tips and tricks in Canva.